Hey, it's Todd Ault, and these are Wall Street Words. Today's word is subscription agreement. What's a subscription agreement? When you want to buy stock from a company in a private placement, you've got to sign a subscription agreement. It says that you've read the private placement, you understand it, you're qualified, and you're committing to a contract to buy stock or be part of a limited partnership. I have raised money, millions of dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars over the last 30 years, and every investor had to sign a subscription agreement. Subscription agreements make sure that you reference the PPM, possibly a warrant agreement or other things you get for investing your money. Anecdotally on the side, I've done lots of subscription agreements when I raised money. You actually sign a subscription agreement when you invest in a hedge fund or other private entities, etc. The one thing to consider when you're raising money for your private company, let's say you're a startup, you'll need a subscription agreement along with the PPM and any of those agreements that a person needs to sign to subscribe to your investment. Subscription agreements are generally written by lawyers and prepared professionally, specifically for your offer. Today's word is subscription agreement. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.